broadcasting all around the globe. Welcome to the Bitcoin Digital Money Show, where we talk everything Bitcoin and crypto related with your hostess, early Bitcoin adopter, serial entrepreneur, and freedom crypto capitalist, cashflow queen, Kenitra. For more content, visit us at www.bitcoindigitalmoney.com. Please remember, we do not offer securities, investments, tax, or any legal advice. Enjoy the show.
Peace and greetings, and welcome to another episode. All right, so we're going to look at Bitcoin for the last 30 days here. So we're looking at tradingview.com. We're going to pull up the Bitcoin chart here and take a look. Currently, right now, we see the different exchanges where Bitcoin is trading for 8,200 to about 8,300, depending on the exchange. But let's just take a look at the last 30 days, and it's been very interesting. All right, there we go. All right, so if you first started following me when I first started publicly talking about Bitcoin, Bitcoin was trading under $1,000 US per coin. Over the last 30 days here, we see Bitcoin started... let's see, May 1st, it was trading at 5,286, and today actually it went up over 9,000 US, but we're currently at about 8,200. So yeah, Bitcoin has had a bull run here these last 30 days. A lot of volatility, a lot of excitement in the marketplace. And some of the reasons for that, when we look at this particular article on usethebitcoin.com, states Bitcoin surges above 9,000, but it falls down to 8,600. Now currently we're at about 8,200. But what I wanted to pull out in particular in this particular article was from Thomas Lee. You can find Thomas Lee on Twitter at fundstrat. Fundstrat. Since I've been in the Bitcoin space, I have followed him, and I love his commentary on the different news channels that he's on. But what they're talking about here is a level of FOMO that has entered the marketplace, and that's where we're seeing the ramp up and the little bull runs that we're witnessing, because last night, Bitcoin was at about, I would say, I want to say around 8,700 or so, teeter-tottering from 85 to 8,700. And then, like I said, today it shot up over 9,000. And what Thomas Lee states here in his tweet, and I'm going to quote him, open quote, actually, the point of the chart is to say that real FOMO probably starts when Bitcoin exceeds 10,000, as that is a price level only seen 3% of all days, mathematically equivalent to exceeding a BTC $4,500 price in 2017. Looking back, that price was a level that indeed triggered FOMO, end quote from Thomas Lee. So that was Thomas Lee. Also, I wanted to take a look at in this episode some more interesting things that are happening in the space. And with Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, probably over the last month or so, it could have been, it could have also been towards the end of April. Grayscale had a marketing campaign that they were promoting, where they were promoting the premise to drop gold and to buy Bitcoin. And that campaign caught a lot of attention, got a lot of people aware of the space and so forth. And then there's, the sidebars of people that are gold bugs versus, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. But nevertheless, I think it brought in more attention and awareness to the space. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is also the leader. They have more assets under management than any other Bitcoin trust out there to date. Their symbol is GBTC. They are currently inception date 9/25/2013. Their annual fee is 2%. Their assets under management is 1.2 billion, which I question that figure, because it says here the shares outstanding 229,663,900, and the current price. And this fund actually is overselling the actual price of Bitcoin. But at any rate, the fund allows people through their retirement accounts and different investment vehicles like that to get exposure to the Bitcoin. But their current market price per share is at $11.40 per share. So that is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Let's also go over here and take a look at U.Today. And this is another article, and it's talking about Tom Lee, and he reveals the Bitcoin price tag that will trigger FOMO. Again, Thomas Lee is one of the people in the space that a lot of folks that got involved in the Bitcoin space early on follow Thomas Lee. So let me just read to you a little bit about this article. Tom Lee, the co-founder and research firm Fundstrat, says that FOMO is yet to kick in as the Bitcoin price is vying to smash the $9,000 target. Excuse me. The prescient Bitcoin analyst claims has estimated that investors are expected to jump on the hype train once the BT price reaches $10,000. So again, we're looking for the price to smash through that 10,000, and then the FOMO this time is going to be more so with institutional investors, not just retail investors. So now we're looking at rolling in more institutional money, funds like Grayscale and other funds of that nature. All right, and lastly, let's talk about a little bit about how billionaires are buying up Bitcoin. This was an interesting article that I found. This is actually on Forbes. Excuse me. And it says, far from the murky, impersonal world of online Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchanges, billionaires who want to buy Bitcoin do it through an office in West London's upmarket Mayfair, and the relatively new service is becoming increasingly popular amongst the super rich with an interest in crypto. The Dadiana Syndicate, which styles itself as an investment platform for maximizing your digital holdings and matches big Bitcoin buyers and sellers in a way similar to buyers and sellers of fine art, claims to have helped clients who want to acquire up to 25% of the Bitcoin market. Bitcoin has exploded back into the limelight over the last couple of months after the Bitcoin price rocketed higher in April, sparking a bull run that continues to roll on and has taken the Bitcoin price to almost 9,000 from under 4,000 at the beginning of this year. The Dadiana Syndicate was set up by an art dealer, Elisa Dadiana, who first began using Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies a few years ago in response to investor demand, and is operated out of the same office as Dadiana Fine Art. So this article basically is talking about now, so Bitcoin started with more so retail investors, your small mom and pop investors. Now we're moving into higher net worth individuals as well as institutional funds that are starting to enter the marketplace. So, when people ask me, is it too late for me to get involved in Bitcoin? Have I missed it? Have I missed the boat? Have I missed the train? My answer to them is always no, because we have not even surpassed the all-time high, which the last quarter of 2017, we're talking over $20,000 per coin. So now is a great time to enter the market. Obviously, you want to look at your own personal financial situations and allocate the amount of capital that you deem necessary, that you can afford to live without. And also just remember, I am not a financial advisor. If you need to run that through your licensed financial advisor, make sure that you do so and make intelligent decisions with your capital. So last but not least, I always tell people and recommend that they actually read the white paper, read the Bitcoin white paper, so that you can get a full understanding of what this project is all about. You can find the white paper at bitcoin.org/bitcoin.pdf. And also, if you would like a step-by-step how-to as far as entering the market, you can grab a copy of my book. And that book is at bitcoindigitalmoney.com. Again, bitcoindigitalmoney.com. All right, well, folks, that will do it for this episode. I look forward to seeing you, hearing you in our next upcoming episode. If you would like to follow me on social media, I don't hang out on a lot of social media platforms, but you can definitely find me from time to time on Twitter, and you can follow me at cashflow_queen. Again, that's at cashflow_queen. All right, have a great day.
Thank you for tuning in to the Bitcoin Digital Money Show. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the show with others. For more behind the scenes and in-depth content, please visit us at www.bitcoindigitalmoney.com. And remember, if cash flow is king, then bitcoinisqueen.com.